This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on Windows Notepad. I will be using Windows 11 for this. Let me jump over to Notepad here. I have Windows Notepad opened up now. To enable or disable dark mode on Windows Notepad, the first thing you want to do is go to the settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner to the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on that gear wheel. That opens up the Notepad settings, and the first thing down, app theme. If you click this drop down here, you can choose between light. As you can see, I currently have mine in light mode, dark mode, or use your system settings. I'm going to toggle on dark mode. Then in the upper left hand corner, I'm going to click the little back arrow. Now I am in dark mode. And if I wanted to change it in light mode, I would just repeat those same steps. That is how to enable or disable dark mode in Notepad. Thanks for watching.